So this pose is called standing splits. It sounds a little more daunting than it is, but actually it's great. So you want to just make your seat nice and small. So just pull all the fabric together, pop your leg on top and bunch that fabric underneath your ankle. And once you're there, this is where you start to play. I really advise you to take this very, very slowly, only because if we rush into things, we tend to not go as far because the muscles will contract in fear. So you want to just start slowly. Just allow yourself to slowly start to melt into this. Take a breath and then move a little deeper. Take a breath, move a little deeper. Take a breath, move a little deeper. And you feel this amazing stretch behind the hamstring, so my left hamstring, and my right hip flexor. So I've got two things going on here, okay? Two amazing things going on. Now you can hang out here for as long as feels good. But when you're ready to come out, you just pull on your trapeze and bring yourself all the way out. And that's your yoga splits in your trapeze.